Have you ever noticed how some people seem to age so gracefully, staying strong and active well into their later years, while others seem to fade much faster? What's their secret? It's not just luck or good genes. The key difference is something called sarcopenia. It sounds complicated, but it's simply the medical term for age-related muscle loss. And let me tell you, it's the #1 reason why we can start to feel old before our time. When we lose muscle, we don't just lose strength. We lose our stability, our balance, and our energy. Everyday tasks that used to be easy, like carrying groceries, climbing stairs, or even just getting up from a chair, can suddenly feel like a monumental effort. This can lead to a vicious cycle. We feel weaker, so we move less, so we get even weaker. This is how falls happen. It's how we lose our independence. But what if I told you there's a way to fight back against this, to reverse muscle loss and reclaim your strength without ever stepping foot inside a gym? You don't need expensive equipment, heavy weights, or a personal trainer shouting at you. All you need is a little bit of space in your living room and about 5 minutes a day. Today, I'm going to show you my simple living room routine. This isn't about pushing your body to its absolute limit. It's about using the most powerful force available to you, gravity, to gently and effectively rebuild your strength from the ground up. These are simple, safe movements that anyone can do, no matter your current fitness level. We're going to awaken those sleeping muscles and remind them what they're capable of. So, clear a little space, get ready, and let's turn back the clock on your body's strength, starting right now. First, let's talk about why this is so important. After the age of 30, we can start to lose 3 to 5% of our muscle mass per decade. This process speeds up significantly after 60. Think about that. It's a silent process that slowly robs us of our vitality. But that's the good news. Muscle has an amazing ability to regenerate and grow at any age. Studies have shown that even people in their 90s can build muscle with the right kind of exercise. You don't need to become a bodybuilder. The goal is functional strength. The strength you need to live your life fully and independently. That means being able to play with your grandkids, carry your own luggage on vacation, and feel confident and stable on your own 2 feet. This routine is designed to do exactly that. It targets the key muscle groups that support your posture, balance, and movement. Before we start, a quick word on safety. Listen to your body. If something hurts, stop. The goal is gentle progression, not pain. And make sure you have a sturdy chair or a wall nearby for support if you need it. Ready? Let's begin with our first movement. It sounds incredibly simple, and it is, but it is one of the most effective exercises for building strength in your legs and glutes, the largest muscles in your body. Find a sturdy chair. Sit on the edge with your feet flat on the floor, about shoulder width apart. Keep your chest up and your back straight. Now, without using your hands, I want you to stand up. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Then, slowly and with control, lower yourself back down until you're just hovering over the chair, and then stand back up. The key here is the slow, controlled descent. That's what really builds the muscle. Let's do 8 of these together. 1. Control the down. 2. Push through your heels. 3. Keeping that chest proud. 4. Feel those leg muscles working. 5. Nice and slow. 6. You're doing great. 7. Almost there. And 8. Excellent. Take a moment. You might feel a little warmth in your thighs. That's a good thing. Next up, we're going to work on our balance and core strength with the wall push. This is a fantastic, safe alternative to a traditional push-up. It strengthens your chest, shoulders, and arms, the muscles you use for pushing open doors or lifting yourself up. Stand facing a wall, about arm's length away. Place your palms flat on the wall, slightly wider than your shoulders. Your body should be in a straight line from your head to your heels. Now, bend your elbows and slowly lean your body toward the wall, keeping your back straight. Go as far as you comfortably can, then gently push back to the starting position. It's not about speed, it's about control. Let's do 10. 1. Inhale as you go in. 2. Exhale as you push away. 3. Keep that core tight. 4. Your body is a straight plank. 5. Half way there. 6. Feel it in your arms and chest. 7. Great form. 8. Don't lock your elbows at the top. 9. One more. And 10. Fantastic. Shake out your arms. Now, let's address the back of your body. Strong back muscles are crucial for good posture and preventing back pain. We're going to do a bent-over row using our own body tension. You don't need any weights for this. Stand with your feet, shoulder-width apart, knees slightly bent. Hinge forward at your hips. Keeping your back straight, imagine you have a glass of water on your lower back. Let your arms hang down toward the floor. Now, make fists with your hands, and imagine you're holding heavy dumbbells. Squeeze your shoulder blades together as you pull your elbows up and back, as if you're rowing a boat. Really focus on that squeeze between your shoulder blades. Then slowly lower your arms back down. That's 1 rep. Let's do 12. Pull and squeeze. 1. Lower with control. 2. Pretend those fists are heavy. 3. Squeeze those back muscles. 4. Keep your neck in line with your spine. 5. You should feel this right between your shoulders. 6. Halfway. 7. Pull. 8. Excellent. 9. Keep that back flat. 10. 2 more. 11 and 12. Slowly stand up straight. That's a powerful move for posture. Our 4th exercise is the marching in place. This one is for balance, hip flexor strength, and core stability. Stand tall, with a chair or wall nearby for support if you need it. Engage your core by pulling your belly button in towards your spine. Now, slowly lift one knee up toward your chest, as high as you comfortably can without leaning back. Hold it for a second, then slowly lower it back down with control. Then, do the other side. The key is to avoid rocking side to side. Your torso should stay completely still. Let's do 20 in total. So that's 10 on each leg. Ready? Lift the right knee. 1. Lower. Lift the left. 2. Control. 3. Imagine you're marching through water. 4. It's a slow, deliberate movement. 5. Keep that core tight. 6. 7. Use that support if you feel wobbly. 8. Totally fine. 9. 10. We're halfway. 11. 12. Feel your core working to keep you stable. 13. 14. 15. Just a few more. 16. 17. 18. 19 and 20. Well done. For our final movement, we're going to focus on the calf muscles. These are so important for our ability to walk, climb stairs, and maintain balance. We'll do calf raises. Stand with your feet a few inches apart, holding onto a chair or wall for balance. Keeping your legs straight, slowly rise up onto the balls of your feet, lifting your heels as high as you can. Pause at the top and really squeeze your calf muscles. Then, slowly lower your heels back to the floor. The slow lowering part is just as important as the lift. Let's aim for 15 of these. Up and squeeze. 1. Lower slow. 2. Feel that stretch and squeeze. 3. All the way up on your toes. 4. 5. This helps with ankle stability too. 6. 7. 8. You're doing so well. 9. 10. 5 more to go. 11. Squeeze at the top. 12. 13. 14. And last one, 15. Great job. Gently shake out your legs. And that's it. That's the 5-minute living room routine. Sit-a-toost stands for leg power. Wall push-ups for upper body strength. Rows for a strong back and posture. Marching for balance and core. And calf raises for stability. We've worked the entire body in a safe, gentle, and incredibly effective way. How do you feel? You might feel a little warmer, a little more energized. That's your muscles waking up. The beauty of this routine is its simplicity. You can do this every single day, or start with 3 times a week and build up from there. As you get stronger, you can increase the number of repetitions. Maybe you do 12 sit-to stands instead of 8. Maybe you do 2 rounds of the whole circuit. The power is in consistency. 5 minutes a day adds up to 35 minutes a week. Over 2 hours a month of targeted, muscle-building exercise, all without leaving your home. Remember, sarcopenia is not an inevitable sentence of aging. It's a condition that you have the power to influence, to slow down, and even to reverse. Strength is not just for the young. It's for everyone, at every age. It's the foundation of a vibrant, active, and independent life. By taking just these few minutes for yourself, you are making a powerful investment in your future health and happiness. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this routine helpful and feel empowered to take control of your strength. If you enjoyed this, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more simple, effective ways to stay strong and healthy at any age. Let me know in the comments how the routine felt for you. I'd love to hear from you. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next video.